In this video, I'll show you how to set up a paid Discord community on Whop. Start by signing into your Whop account and click Create Whop if you haven't created one yet. Next, enter your community name, choose a category, and complete the basic setup for your Whop. After that, click Add App and select Discord from the list of available apps. Now click Connect Discord and sign into your Discord account if prompted. Next, choose the Discord server you want to connect and authorize Whop to access it. Make sure the Whop bot has permission to manage roles on your server. After that, return to your Whop dashboard and configure which Discord role members will receive after purchasing access. Now click Pricing and create your membership plan. Choose whether you want to charge a one-time fee or a recurring subscription, then enter your price. Next, review your checkout settings and make sure the correct Discord role is linked to the membership plan. After that, click Publish to make your paid community available. Finally, copy your Whop link and share it with your audience. When someone purchases a membership, Whop will automatically grant them the assigned Discord role and access to your community. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a paid Discord community on Whop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Modelab for more tutorials.